Welcome, team.
In this tutorial, we will explore how to format a large JSON file in Notepad++ Windows Editor.
Less words, more action, so let's do it. Step 1.
Download and install Notepad++ from the official website using the link you see on the screen. Step 2.
Run Notepad++ application on your personal computer. Step 3. Open Plugins Admin dialog.
In the top menu bar, click on the Plugins menu item. In the pop-up list, click on Plugins Admin.
Step 4. Find and install JSON Tools 8.4 Notepad++ plugin.
Type JSON in the search field of the Plugins Admin dialog.
Find JSON Tools 8.4 plugin by Mark Olson.
Enable the checkbox for JSON Tools 8.4.
Click the Install button in the bottom right corner of the window.
Step 5. Explore JSON Tools plugin in Notepad++ menu.
Locate the newly installed plugin in the Notepad++ menu bar, located at the top of the window.
Navigate to Plugins to JSON Tools to explore the available commands and features.
Step 6. Format large JSON file using Notepad++ JSON Tools.
Now let's do some real work. Plugins to JSON Tools to pretty print current JSON file, or press Ctrl+Alt+Shift+P.
Hooray! Our formatted large JSON file looks awesome. Step 7. Explore the JSON Tools plugin files.
Now let's satisfy our curiosity and explore the JSON Tools plugin's local files.
In menu, click Plugins to open Plugins folder.
Now go inside JSON Tools folder.
As we can see, JSON Tools plugin is DLL file.
A DLL, Dynamic Link Library, is a file in Windows containing reusable code and data.
Now let's go into Translations folder.
As we can see, it consists of .json5 config file for each supported language.
JSON5 is an extension to the popular JSON file format that aims to be easier to write and maintain by hand, for example for config files. Now let's check out the content of the Japanese.json5 translation file.
Sugoi. Sugoi!
Final folder to explore is Test Files of JSON Tools plugin. As we can see, here are the JSON test files for plugin. Awesome!
Now we know that creator tested his staff.
Well done!
We made it!
We found an easy offline solution to format large JSON files.
This allows us to improve security by not sharing JSON data with data collection online tools.
Awesome!
Thanks for watching.